Hello guys, welcome back to the new playlist of According to Me with the tagline Correct Me if I'm wrong. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our show video. Those persons who didn't know about our show, actually, we and our team have organized a show in the previous year 2019 or you may call it 2019 in the last month December at the date of 29. So there are in our show there are a lot of contestants comes and perform their performance on the stage. Also, we invited some of special performers who go there and make them a hall. So, I'm going to discuss about that videos. I selected out or sort out some of the videos on our show, and point out some plus points and minus points as well. You know, every video has plus points and minus points, and also noted down some tips which I'm going to discuss in this videos. But I want to clear up one thing before starting the video. The thing is that guys, I'm not going to show any type of artist performance videos in this video because if I'm doing so this videos become so longer and I didn't want to that make this video so longer because this video is already making so longer. So but you don't have to worry about anything because if you want to watch all of the videos of artists, then just simply go to the TDM queries page which is popping somewhere around the frame on your Facebook account or on your Instagram account. Or simply go to the search bar, type TDM queries. There is a page will be open. Scroll down and you will catch all of the awesome videos of our artist of our Open Sync 110 show. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So this video is all about our contestant Srishti, which is the best singer I ever met. So this video is all about Srishti. Keep focusing on what we can do in this video. So without taking any type of time or without getting any type of purpose, let's move forward our first topic. Let's move on. So before telling all of the steps on to sing to the performance Srishti, I would like to add on a line to have to focus on that line that you don't have to listen you don't have to just hear out of their point and pass from one year to another year. Instead of hearing, you have to listen all of the German for all of the German saying to big positive impact in those which are like to gain all of the German in those sense. So you have to listen all of the German proper. So the first response is kind of as I know that you are from meditation, I think that this comes for the point. So it means that weakness in your voices or this instant to a lot of learning. So this is the first point I noticed from those videos. So please remain this point in the cell. So the next this point of history is perfect absolutely. As if if I talk about myself that as in the singer and a hip hop singer too, a lot of majority people would know that I am also famous for my flow, not for my hard lines. My hard lines are getting from my flow. So if I get the pay, if I get the name, fame and a big amount of money, but for the flow, that flow will just create more weight because it can create a lot of things I am getting right now. So I'm telling you all of it based on my experience. I'm not telling any type of imaginary thinking. This will happen. So it will happen to do so because I'm telling all of the things about my experience and all about artist experience somewhere connected to each other. The next point I noticed especially is drawing on absolutely. This is a very big point which I noticed. Then you on the stage and then you start to performance. Then you won't get that others are drawing or not drawing, but you must understand that thing. Also, you instead of giving of others, you just do your own song and getting into this is very important because the same thing I noticed this a famous singer whose name is Neha Kakkar. Same thing she used in her every photo song. If you want the singers to relay that thing, if they hear Neha's voice clearly, then they probably notice that Neha Kakkar enjoying this own song. That is why all of the songs getting hit. So this just by enjoying her own song, is getting hit by hit, and next by hit. So why don't you? So you clearly see that what the future of get enjoying on your own song. Because there are a lot of artists who are doing that future. And they can do, so why don't you? The last but not the least plus point I noticed in your performance stage is perfect smooth ending. The same plus point I noticed in Akanksha's performance. We both are celebrities. That's what it happens. Okay, jokes apart, but it's a very big quality which is found in your performance. As all of you guys see that this girl in her performance very smoothly, with a very smooth tone as you noticed. So it's a very big plus point I noticed. It's a very big quality. It comes in a structure of performing. You would probably read that thing that how to perform. There is a structure to perform on the stage, and you follow that structure last point, which is a very big point, and you already achieved that point. So it's a very big quality I found in yourself as being a singer. I know that things a pop singer, not a proper singer. So these are all the plus points. Please focus on the plus point. And now, sadly, we go into the minus points. The first, before telling the minus point, I would like to add a short disclaimer that when we talk about some plus points about any artist, then there is no problem occurs at that time. But when we switch that plus point to minus point, there is a chance that the artist would take all the things personally. So, as being an big brother, I would like to say that please don't honestly minus point take personally. Instead of getting take all the things personally, you can take all the things seriously for your professions. It will give you a great positive support and guidance to do that. So, please don't take all of the minus points. Personally, because if you notice me, and as you know about me that I'm at that level just by doing all of my or watching all of my minus points. So I think that just by watching the minus point and recovering all of the minus points so that you can perfect at a time, it isn't a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. So please don't take all of things personally. I want to add that disclaimer, and I am interested. The first minus point of Srishti is didn't introduce yourself. Correct. As you notice your performance, your all of the performance history, no matter that what's the situation, no matter that anchor will introduce you, then you don't have to introduce yourself. This is all kind of bullshit things. This things didn't matter a lot. Okay. The anchor is introducing is better thing that you have to also introduce yourself so that because as I already told that thing in Akanksha's performance. Minus point sections. Plus points are from both of the things. So, when you introduce yourself to the audience, that point, that moment, that 5 minutes, connect to your audience to yourself so that these 5 minutes would connect all remaining performance. These 5 minutes could grab their attention to your all of the remaining performance. So all that include part is very matter in every performance. So keep focus on that point and try to recover these points. And the next point I want to get to Srishti, the next point is getting thanks for this. Look, there's not a lot of powers in the world, and you know that. As I'm thinking I'm telling all of the things why my words, I'm stressing all of the things why my words, and maybe you could understand all of the things and implement all of the things so to get a lot of better things. So this is an infection of any word. As similar as that, there is a lot of powers in a word, and there is a lot of powers in a single word or two words that's called thanks or thank you. If you saying anyone thanks, then that person somewhere automatically or indirectly interested in you or in your performance. It matters over time. So if you perform anywhere, if even the stage is small, there is no stage, but after performing, these can always thanks to the audience who are listening to your performance, who are caring you because it means they are caring your performance, they are respecting your professions. That's why they are sit there and listening you, because those person who didn't listen, who didn't interest in performance, so they didn't sit there and they just pass away from there. So if they are listening those songs, it means they are respecting your profession. So we have to thanks to each and every audience for listening to those songs, for supporting you, or to have to form the LP show or measure to, because they give you a platform. Even there is a platform available or not available, you just have to pass the listing for two words, thank you or thanks, for giving me an opportunity or for listening me. Can add on like this will give a great impact on your personality, not even on your performance, but even on personality too. So this is a 2 minus point I noticed. That also I noticed now last minus point, that is unable to interact with public. Look, when we are go in the performance zone, so as become an contestant, I noticed that thing in every contestant that they didn't interact with the public. But you notice our major artists like Manzoni, when you notice that when that can perform on the stage, he probably notice even first introduce himself, then when during his performance, he could interact with that audience by just saying that you can add on some lines that everyone sing with me. These types of lines grab the attention of audience to watch the performance. So this is called an interaction with audience. So you miss that thing. So try to don't miss that thing next time in your performance. Try to do that so that because just doing that you somewhere improving your communication skills too. And these are the things very matters in every field, even in your job field. You know that communication skills matters a lot. So try to improve that thing. So these are the minus points. Hope you don't take all the things personally. Instead of taking personally, please take it seriously for our profession. But remove that one person. Now moving to our another topic, which is tips for Srishti, the best singer. The first tip I want to give to Srishti is that make your own songs. Look, Srishti, you sing thousands of songs from on thousands of places. So it's time to mix all of these thousands of songs knowledge and at least try to write your own song. Whenever you write your own song and whenever you sing your own song and publish your own song, then this is a very big achievement for yourself. This is what an achievement. Look, persons think, the other guy thinks that getting some prizes, getting some awards is what an achievement. But this is what a small achievement. Small achievement matters to getting the big achievement. So I think that you have to make your own song, because you have a lot of knowledge about musical field and about writing songs. You could probably notice that in which the other guys didn't notice. So use that things. You are not getting all of the knowledge for your future musicians. Whenever you don't change something in your life didn't change. Remember that it's a golden statement. So this is the first tip I want to give you. The another tip I want to give you is that connect to everyone. The same tip I give in a culture performance. I must rather say that you are probably a fantastic, because all of the things matches. Connect to everyone. You have to connect to everyone, because the more public, the more person you know, the more opportunity you are getting for your artist field. So please try to connect each and everyone by just introducing yourself and introducing about your profession, introducing about your artist field, introducing your video songs to them. So then you are giving up, you are getting an opportunity somewhere, because opportunity can come from anywhere. So try to connect with each and everyone. The last tip I want to give you, the same tip which I am giving in all of the possible artist video, is drop at least a music cover song a month. Because if you have a talent, I remember that dialogue. I say that dialogue a lot of times in all of my videos, so I remember that. If you have a talent, then please express that talent. Don't find your talent towards yourself. Try to express your talent, because if you didn't express your talent, the public or the major artists didn't know that there is a girl exists with a lot of talent. So if you want that everyone know that you have so much talent in yourself, then you have to express your talent via that platform. It is called YouTube, which is a free platform which is giving a hell lot of opportunity. The platform is itself a great opportunity to take all of the opportunities. So it's your opportunity to take that opportunity. Go there and take that opportunity by just making us small videos to getting a lot of opportunities and waiting on there. Try to witness all of the things. Try to publish a music cover song, at least a single music cover song a month. I'm telling a single because I know we are student widow. We are not an earning member of our family, so we have to notice our budget by creating our music video. So that's why I'm saying just at least you have to post a single music cover video. So this is all about you, Srishti. This is a dedicated video to you, Srishti. I hope that you understand what I'm saying and really try to understand that thing. And also, I want to summarize all of the things that please remain all of the plus points in yourself. Try to improve your minus points and recover your minus points so that you don't do mistakes again and again in future in your any other next performance. Also, implement all of the tips which I tell you in the tip sections for you, so that your life becomes 2 times better than your normal life by just following all of the things which I tell in this video. So, meet you in my next series. Tab tak ke liye, tata, bye bye.
I could find a way to break